Welcome to Maths Easy Peasy. In today's class, we shall be finding the area of irregular shapes. Now, irregular shapes are shapes that are made up of two or more regular shapes. Now, from the figure on the board, we have a shape that looks like H, letter H. Now, some parts have been given. When looking at the figure, you can determine the other parts that are not given. So the first thing we must do when looking for the area of an irregular shape is to break the shape into different regular shapes. So let's break it into different regular shapes. Now the shape can be broken into three. So I can break it directly from here. This should be shape A. And I also break it directly here. This should be shape B. And the last shape should be shape what? C. Now for shape A, we will discover that this place was supposed to be 4 centimeters. Since here is 6, here should also be what? 6 cm. This part is 10, is 14. So this other part is what? Parallel to this part. It's also 14 cm. What we actually need is the length and the breadth. And we have gotten the length and the breadth. So for area of A is equal to length times breadth, which is the same thing as the length from this shape is 14. So it becomes 14 times the breadth, which is 4, times 4. Both of them are in centimeters, so write as centimeters. Now this gives us 4 times 4, 60. Carry 1, 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, I carry 5. That's 56 centimeters squared. That is the area of shape A. Let's go further to shape B. Area of B is the same thing as length times breadth. But for shape B, we will not derive the breadth. We only know the length. This is the length, which is what? The length for B is 6 centimeters. Now what is the breadth? The breadth is parallel to this line, which is 14. Now, since the breadth is parallel to line 14, and these two lines are also parallel to line 14, we therefore discover that 6 plus 6 plus the breadth of B makes 14. So to get the breadth of B, we'll add 6 to this 6, subtract it from 14, and our breadth will become simply 2 centimeters. So the area for B will simply be equal to 6 times 2, all in cm, which is equal to 12 centimeters squared. Now we'll take the next part of the shape C. Now from our question, area of C is the same thing as area of B. It's equal to area of what? A. Area of C is equal to area of A because shape A and shape B are the same. They are the same shape. So area of A is equal to area of what? C. So C is equal to A, and A is 56 centimeters. So our C will simply become 56 centimeters squared. Now with this, we can look for total area. Therefore, total area will be equal to 56 plus 56 plus 12. All of them are in centimeters squared, which will simply give us 56 plus 56 gives us 112. 112 plus 12 gives us 124. So our final answer will be 124 centimeters squared. It is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's Orchestra.